1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. I really feel like I should do 8 because I think everyone's gonna be really hungry today. Let me do 2 more. A total of 8 eggs. I'm so sad. I do not have any ginger. That's usually my secret ingredient. A little bit of sugar. Crack the eggs. Make it a little easier to mix before we put the milk in. The heavy cream, gentle mix, because guess what, this is your food. You can make it the way you want. You're the only one that's going to eat it. Well, you and your family. Fat free, so that was heavy cream before, now it's some fat free skim milk. A little bit more milk. Oh yeah, that feel right. It's getting messy. It's getting sticky. We already have our salted butter. As you see, it's unsalted. This just says salty because I thought it was cute. I didn't even care what it said. It said butter. Nice thick loaf of Texas brioche. Ideally, wanted to do its own thing, but you gotta dip it. Oh my goodness, you see? Let's soak up a little bit. It's about to be fine. French toast, baby. Say French toast, baby. Kind of trying to sprinkle on the bottom because sometimes you can see the stuff gets stuck down there. And I have the heat on low right now until I put all of them up, and I'll turn it back up. But it's absolutely preheated. What are you doing? What you eating? Oh, you're baking? I forgot. The bacon! I gotta get the bacon out the oven. Oh my goodness. The bacon in question, I put this on broil in the oven and I flip it after like 10 minutes and I do it again for like another 5 to 6. So I turned the heat down, but I just turned it back up, so let's see. Okay, that's not bad with me having the heat down. It's still just something. I turned it back up though. I'm glad I had it low because I totally would have burned it. That's why Google comes in handy because I'm able to get an alarm. Whole lot of motion. Whoa! What you working with? This is where I'm gonna put it. This is where I just had the bacon and I just sprinkle it down. The sprinkler just came on. Assistant here. I wonder if my assistant will help me record. I don't know. Oh, my assistant will. That one's ready. That one's ready. Oh, they're all ready. Remember how you said in one of the videos that I always burn the bacon?
Oh, yeah.
Now transfer. I'm just going to put it here. Now we're going to make some more. But we're going to put it. Oh, I forgot it was hot. Oh my goodness. Since I'm making so much, they can just have this for the next few days. Whenever they want some Frenchity toastity. Piece of what? Yeah. Hold on, I have to put it in the oven. It's not ready yet. Have a piece of bacon. Yes, we use all parts of the bread, even the heel, because they don't even know the difference. So, why not? Does that flash off that whole time? Alright, let's flip them. Flip it good. Okay, let's take it off. Transfer it to our pan in the oven. Me not having ginger threw me off so bad. I forgot about the vanilla extract. Kept sniffing it like something is missing, and that's absolutely what was missing. Okay, I just add a little bit of nutmeg. My daughter said it was missing peanut butter, so if she want to add peanut butter to hers, she can. I do kind of want like a smash burger, but all we have is chicken, so maybe I can make like some chicken sandwiches if we have any leftover brioche. No, I doubt we will. We'll see. And I believe I forgot the vanilla. Oh, we need to turn it back up. Let me check this one. I forgot to turn it back up. Why did it just get so blurry? Alright, I turned it up. Yeah, because that's like not ready at all. Okay, give it a nice little flip. Gentle, please. Just a few minutes. 4 eggs here. I already have my freezer skillet, of course. I'm gonna add a little tablespoon of water. Butter. Eggs. Let it sit. It's on low. A little pepper, a little salt. When you let it sit, it'll easily come off. I like a thick scramble. Eggs are done. French toast, bacon, eggs.